Click the subscribe button and click the bell icon for all the new updates from our channel. Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today we're gonna make a very delicious spicy curry, and this is Grey Pot special mutton curry. This is just perfect with white rice, chapati, naan and parotta. So first heat a pan and add in some coconut oil. Add some chopped ginger and garlic and saute till the raw smell goes. Add 1 green chili. As this green chili is so spicy, I'm just adding 1. Now saute some shallots chopped. Once it becomes translucent, add in some chopped onion. Sprinkle some salt so that the real flavor of onion will come out. Now let's add chopped tomato. And before adding all the spices, you need to cook the tomato really well. So saute it and close the lid and cook it. And after few minutes, you can see the tomatoes have cooked really well. Just mash it with the back of your ladle. Now let's add in the spices. First add turmeric powder and saute till its raw smell goes. Then followed by coriander powder. It's really important to roast all the masala powder. Now add in red chili powder and mix it. Now add some garam masala and some roasted cumin powder. This cumin powder gives a very good taste for the curry, so don't forget to add that. Now once all the masalas are really well roasted, add in the mutton pieces. Sprinkle some salt and mix it really well so that all the masalas are well coated onto the mutton. Now close the lid and cook it on a very low flame. And after 10 to 15 minutes, you can see the water has come out of the mutton, and this is just perfect water to cook the mutton. But I need some gravy for my curry, so I'm just adding 1/4 cup to half cup of water. Give it a mix and close the lid and cook it for around 10 to 20 minutes. Now you can see the mutton has perfectly cooked. Add in some coriander leaves and give it a mix. This is just optional. Instead of coriander leaves, you can also add curry leaves. If you want your gravy to be really thick and reduced, you can boil it for some time. And after checking the salt and spices, I was really missing that pepper flavor in this curry. So I just added 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, and it really enhanced the taste of the curry. And there you go, our delicious spicy mutton curry is ready. It's just perfect to have with white rice, or you can have it with Kerala Porotta. It tastes incredibly delicious. So do try it out and leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot and watch more interesting and unique recipes from our channel. Thank you.